Are you looking to increase your protein intake? Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, and maintaining overall health. In this video, we will explore a variety of foods that are high in protein. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, an athlete, or simply someone who wants to incorporate more protein into their diet, these protein-rich foods are sure to satisfy your nutritional needs. Let's dive into the world of high-protein foods. 1. Lean meats. Lean meats like chicken breast, turkey, and lean cuts of beef are excellent sources of high-quality protein. They are not only rich in protein but also provide essential amino acids and important minerals. Grilling, baking, or roasting these meats can help retain their nutritional value. 2. Fish and seafood. Fish and seafood, such as salmon, tuna, shrimp, and cod, are not only delicious but also packed with protein. Additionally, they contain omega-3 fatty acids that are beneficial for heart health. Aim to include fish and seafood in your diet at least twice a week to reap the benefits. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and affordable source of protein. They are rich in essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. Enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or in omelets to boost your protein intake. 4. Dairy products. Dairy products like milk, Greek yogurt, and cottage cheese are excellent sources of protein. They also provide calcium and other essential nutrients. Choose low-fat or Greek yogurt options for higher protein content and pair them with fruits or nuts for added flavor and nutrition. 5. Legumes and beans. Legumes and beans, including lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans, are plant-based protein powerhouses. They are also high in fiber, making them a nutritious choice for both protein and overall health. Incorporate them into soups, stews, salads, or make delicious bean burgers. 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, not only provide healthy fats but also pack a good amount of protein. They make for convenient and nutritious snacks, or you can sprinkle them over salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. 7. Tofu and tempeh. Tofu and tempeh are plant-based protein sources commonly used in vegetarian and vegan diets. They are made from soybeans and provide a substantial amount of protein. Experiment with different cooking methods and seasonings to enhance their taste and texture. Conclusion. Incorporating protein-rich foods into your diet is essential for meeting your nutritional needs and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether you choose lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, nuts, seeds, or plant-based alternatives like tofu and tempeh, these high-protein foods will help support muscle growth, repair tissues, and keep you feeling satisfied. Remember to balance your protein intake with a variety of other nutrient-rich foods to achieve a well-rounded diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.